So most of us applied for the DV program for the green card last year, okay? And the results are out. So quickly, I want to show you how you can check your status if you qualified for the DV lottery or not. So please follow me. I'll come to Chrome, and in here, I want you to search for this website, and you just press enter. Then it will load for you the home page for the DV program state. Okay, this is what you'll see in the beginning, but I want you to click on check status to see if you qualified or not. As it does that, it is going to ask me some information, okay? So I'll click on continue and see the information that they want. So they want the confirmation number, my last name, and the year of birth. So I have my confirmation number. So I'll come here and search for keep.google. Yeah, let me just load this so that I can find it. I kept it on keep Google. I hope it's there. And if it's not there, I'll show you how you can get it very, very quickly. Okay, so once it loads, I'll come and check this DV program confirmation number and just copy this. Then I'll come back here. I'll put this in here just like that. And then my last name is Kenya, or the family name, okay? And then this is the year of birth. And then I'm going to type in this. So it is 4U8, just like that, and click on submit. So when the details are correct, it's going to load for you this page. Unfortunately, I did not qualify. So what can you do if you forgot your confirmation number? What you do, click on escape home, and then it's going to load for you the previous page, the home page. You'll click on continue, and then after that, you are going now to click on forgot confirmation number, and it is going to ask you a few questions, and when you answer them correctly, it's going to give you that. So the year is 2024, and then you'll be asked your last name. So let me assume that I forgot mine, so I'll just say Atenya, just like that. Then the first name is Duncan, and then the middle name is Kazungu, just like that. And then the month of my birth is 05, that is in May, and it is on 28th, then 1995, just like that. Then my email is duncan@gmail. Then you type in this very key, just like that, and then you click on submit. When the details are correct, it's going to give you your confirmation number, and here it is, and you can copy it and save it somewhere, okay? You can even come now and check if you really are, you got this. So I'll just input this. This is XTUJYE, just like that, and submit. That is going to give me the result if I qualified, and my friend, I did not qualify. So my friend, if you have a question concerning this, you can drop me a comment, but this is basically how you can be able to check for your status. So I hope this video helped you, and if that is the case, please like this video. If you're watching from TikTok, please follow me. If you're watching from YouTube, please make sure that you subscribe. Otherwise, I hope that I'll see you in the next video. Peace.